Good day everyone. I am Adonis Nalimutan Chamaya from Pandan, Taguso, Camarines Sur. By the way, I'm currently enrolled at Marines Polytechnic College Foundation located at Baras, Canaman, Camarines Sur. Taking the course Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering. I am first year student. I belong to the section BSMAR 1B7. Why did I choose to take a maritime course? Bakit ako nagplano maging marinero? Because I want to travel the world, experience on the ship, learn about different cultures, see breathtaking life, and have a new experience. Being a mariner offers a unique opportunity to achieve all and have an exciting and challenging career. I want to have a stable life, not just me, but for also parents and my family. I want to show them that all of her sacrifice is worth it. How can I show respect to others in this class? I want to show my respect to my classmates by doing simple things like communicating to them, be kind and helping each other. Complete the sentence, in 5 years I will be. Sa loob ng 5 taon ako ay, in 5 years I want to see myself wearing my maritime uniform, be a licensed engineer, and finally call me a superior. What legacy would I choose to be reminded by? Anong pamana ang gusto kong maiwan sa mundo? Maritime industry, the legacy I want to leave is my knowledge. About being an engineer, I want to share with them difficulties that challenge me. When I am at their position, I want to motivate them using my own experience, because this knowledge is more important than money and everything. Once again, I'm Midshipman Amalia Adonis in your future shipper.